Honorable Commissioner Malaکنڈ Division.
I'm very happy to see that tourists have come back to this beautiful place, that they can enjoy the beauty of the landscape, the cultural heritage.
This experience of the beauty of Vietnam.
Your presence here brings great pride and happiness to the people of Swat. It's a great honor to welcome you this evening to Swat and this blessed Iftar dinner at PC Hotel Malam Jabba, Swat. We are deeply honored by the presence of our distinguished guest, His Excellency Mr. Wolfgang Kotscher, Ambassador of the Republic of Austria to Pakistan, and his consular and his colleague. His Excellency Mr. Pham Anh Tuan, Ambassador of Socialist of Republic of Vietnam to Pakistan, and his all missions and his families. Your Excellencies, your presence here brings great pride and happiness to the people of Swat. Swat has always been a land of connection. These valleys were once part of Great Silk Road, a meeting place where travelers from East and West exchange trade, ideas and traditions. Today, welcoming guests from Vietnam in the East and Austria in the West feel like quite revival of that historic spirits. We extend a very warm welcome to His Excellency the Ambassador of Vietnam, especially as the year of Ramadan in Pakistan coincides with TT, the Vietnamese New Year. We also welcome His Excellency the Ambassador of Austria to Pakistan in winter. Malam Jabba has been blessed with generous snowfall this season, and we believe that Austria, known for its mountainous snow and music, feel well a familiar connection here. We believe that strong relations are built through culture, education, people-to-people contact. We imagine a future where Austria, Vietnam.
We are very happy to have the opportunity to visit Swat during the time of our Vietnam Lunar New Year. So that's why today we are not only with my colleagues from our embassy, but also we came here with our family of our college to come to visit Swat. We all know that the Swat, it is the Switzerland of Asia. It admired for the breathtaking natural beauty. At the same time, it also renowned as one of the capital of the ancient of the Ganda Buddhism. Because of Vietnam, we are the country we follow the Buddhism.
Ladies and gentlemen, Excellency, esteemed colleagues of the Vietnamese Embassy, respected elders, highly esteemed Waqar Shehzad, thank you so much for inviting us to the beautiful Swat Valley. We were extremely delighted already today to be able to witness the cultural heritage of the Swat Valley. As you know, this place here, Malam Jabba, has a long history with Austria. We established relations already decades ago. Austria was very much invested in promoting tourism here in the area. We built a school, we established a hotel, this hotel here, well, the preceding hotel, and a ski lift. In Austria, skiing is the national sport, so it's very touching for me to be here, and I'm very happy to see that tourists have come back to this beautiful place, that they can enjoy the beauty of the landscape, the cultural heritage.
And apart, this area has been a hub of trade and international routes since very long, since the times of Silk Route, as already mentioned.
آپ نے پہلے بھی بہت سارے سفیروں کو سوات لائے ہیں، ان کو یہ خوبصورت مقامات دکھائے، کیا مقصد ہے ان کو لانے کا؟
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. سوات اور سوئٹزرلینڈ، سوات چونکہ میرا گھر ہے، میں سوئٹزرلینڈ تک سارا یورپ گھوما پھرا ہوں، تو وہاں سے میں نے ٹورزم سیکھا ہے، اور وطن کے ساتھ محبت جو میں نے سیکھی ہے وہ میں نے یورپ اور سوئٹزرلینڈ سے سیکھی ہے. میرا مقصد سوات میں تعلیم بڑھانا ہے، پیپل ٹو پیپل کنیکشن بنانا ہے. کاروبار، تجارت ایک دوسرے کے ساتھ ملنے سے بنتا ہے. آج ہم ایک افطاری پہ بیٹھے ہوئے ہیں، اور یہ بڑی خوشی کا موقع ہے کہ آج ویتنامی سفیر اور آسٹرین سفیر دونوں میرے ساتھ ایک ٹیبل پہ، یعنی مشرق اور مغرب دونوں کو ملایا ہوا ہے. پاکستان ایک ایسا ملک ہے جس میں ٹورزم، کاروبار اور تجارت بہت آسانی سے بن سکتا ہے اگر ہم دنیا کے ساتھ کنیکٹ ہو جائے، جو کہ بدقسمتی سے ہم لیس کنیکٹڈ ہیں. میں اس موقع پہ سوات کے عوام کو یہ پیغام دے رہا ہوں کہ اپنے ٹورسٹ کو ہر جگہ ویلکم کریں. ہمارا آپ کا دار و مدار صرف اور صرف ٹورزم پہ ہے. ہمارے بچے پڑھیں گے، کاروبار کریں گے، آگے بڑھیں گے، اور اس کا ہمارے ساتھ یہاں پہ نہ فیکٹری ہے نہ کوئی اور کارخانے ہیں. یہاں پہ ہے تو ہمارے لیے برف اور ہماری دریا، یہ ہمارے لیے بہترین کاروبار ہے. میں آسٹرین سفیر کو خوش آمدید کہتا ہوں کہ آج میرے انویٹیشن پہ وہ سوات میں میرے ساتھ افطاری کر رہے ہیں. خوش آمدید، ویلکم ٹو سوات، بخیر علی سوات. میں ویتنامی سفیر کو بھی خوش آمدید کہتا ہوں، اور یہاں پہ ویلکم ٹو سوات، بخیر علی سوات تھا. یہاں پہ 4 قومیں رہتی ہے. پٹھان بہت مہمان نواز ہے، مہمان نوازی ہم نے پٹھانوں سے سیکھی ہے. گوجر قوم یہاں پہ رہتی ہے پہاڑوں میں، انہوں نے مہمان نوازی پٹھانوں سے سیکھی ہے. کوہستانی قوم ٹورزم میں سب سے ماہر ہے. تو میں سب لوگوں کو کہتا ہوں کہ اپنے مہمانوں کو ویلکم کرو. آپ کے بچے جائیں گے باہر ملکوں میں پڑھیں گے، ان کو بھی یہ لوگ ویلکم کریں گے. اور میں خاص طور پر اس موقع پہ پی سی مالم جبا کے جی ایم صاحب کو اور ان کے سارے سٹاف کو اور کمشنر مالاکنڈ ڈویژن کو بہت ان کا مشکور ہوں کہ انہوں نے ہمارے مہمانوں کو لنڈاکی سے لے کر بابسوات تک اور مالم جبا تک بہت اچھی طرح ویلکم کیا.
Yeah, it's a fantastic place. We are extremely happy to be here. It's a beautiful day, sunshine. We feel a bit like in the Austrian Alps, like in our country. As you know, in Austria, our national sport is skiing. We have given very many ski champions to the world. And of course, this place, PC Hotel, more or less was established with Austrian help. I'm very happy, unfortunately. The establishment, the hotel back then ran into some trouble, as we know. But it's very nice to see that tourism is back. This is a very well-managed, beautiful place. And over time, we hope to see Austrian tourists here in Malam Jabba. And maybe we can bring in some Austrian technology, from ski lifts to whatever you need. We have a lot of know-how, we have a lot of experience. We have been doing tourism for decades now, and we would be delighted to come back. Let's see what's going to happen. We're going to look into this maybe in the near future. And it's very nice to have this initiative that East meets West here in the middle in Swat Valley, which boasts of fantastic cultural heritage. And I see a lot of opportunities here, and let's see, maybe we can do something together, and that would be something maybe.
We are very impressive, yeah, because of the Vietnam and Pakistan, we have a very long history of the cooperation and friendship. We have the diplomatic cooperation each other since 1975, and until that, our relation grown up very quickly, not only for the politics, but also for the business and tourists. For the PC Hotel, it's the first time I went here, but I'm very impressive. It's like the name. It's like the name Swat is the Switzerland of the Asia, and the PC Hotel here, I think, is wonderful. Facility and the people, to serve us, I think it's wonderful. And for the Vietnam and Pakistan, and for our embassy with the Swat, we have a lot of opportunity. We can cooperate each other. And one of the things we want to move the cooperation with the Swat is tourist, because as you know, Vietnam, we are always follow the Buddhist religion, and Swat is one of the Uganda civilization. So that's why a lot of the Vietnamese people want to come to visit the Pakistan in general and to Swat in particular. I would like to put it with the two options. The first, we should put how to make the direct flight between the Vietnam and Pakistan easily for the people to connect each other. And the second, now we are pushing for the honorary consul of the Vietnam in Swat is Mr. Sardar. So now is the time we want. He will be the honorary consul of the Vietnam in the very near future. So once again, thank you very much for invite us to the special time. It's the Vietnam Lunar New Year, and it's the time for the Mubarak.
Thank you.
Yeah. So it's very important. So I wish good health and prosperity for the Mr. Sardar, for the His Excellency, for all of us. So thank you very much.